I could stay like this, forever following you.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, I'm Nicole Patrick and you are welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove your makeup using avocado and carrot oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, you can use almond oil, you can use carrot oil, you can use avocado oil. I'm going to be using avocado and carrot oil because I made the oil by myself. If you haven't seen the video on how I made the avocado and carrot oil, you can go straight to my channel. The video is there. So I also made a video on this makeup. You can check it out on my YouTube channel. I've been wearing this makeup all day and I am so tired of wearing it. I want to get rid of it. I want to free my face. So let's just go straight to the video. So first thing I'm going to be doing is my eyelashes. I'm going to pull this out. Yup. So this is my avocado and carrot oil. I'm just going to go ahead and press a little bit of it. Then I'm going to apply it.
Without you here with me, but now I'm standing looking in the mirror, wondering whatever happened to our love. Deep down I thought that there would always be an us. Since you disappeared, I know the time don't wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd tell you you're the one, 'cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever.
Then I'm going to go ahead and use Makeup Forever wipes to clean it out.
So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. Know that you can't be here by my side. I feel you near me when I close my eyes. So I won't let your memory come to an end. When I said forever, that's just.
So the makeup is gone and I have a lot of glitters on my face. I don't know if you guys can see it from my eyeshadow. So I'm just going to go to the bathroom and wash this off with water and I'll be right back. So I am back and my face is clean and free. I love using oil to remove my makeup because it helps to melt the makeup and also make it very easy for you to remove. So yeah, this is the end of this video, and if you love it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.